Are you B Pharmacy student or planning to join pharmacy? Do you know that in third year, fifth semester, so there are mainly 5 core subjects that can actually shape your career in pharmacy. So today I will break down one by one simplest way as possible. So before starting this video, if you are new, my name is Sameer. I am a third year pharmacy student at Era College of Pharmacy in Lucknow. So start with the simplest and very theoretical subject. The first is industrial pharmacy. First, this subject connect classroom knowledge with the real pharmaceutical industry. You will learn about the dosage form, design, how to pack the dosage form, how to pack the tablet, how to manufacture the tablet, and why we does coating on tablet, what kind of problems are facing in coating, and more knowledge about drugs, dosage form, tablets, capsules, syrups, all of this. So if you even dream working in a big pharmaceutical industry, I think industrial pharmacy prepare you for the production, formulation, regulatory role. So before moving the second subject of the 5th semester in B Pharmacy, I wanted to share you. Recently, I make a tablet in our college lab. So if you want to see the process how I make tablet in lab, so go to my Instagram account जहाँ पे मैं कॉलेज के vlogs and more reels को शेयर करता हूँ और जहाँ मैं अपने मिनी ब्लॉग्स को भी अपलोड करता हूँ. So please check out my Instagram accounts, link in the description. So let's talk about the second subject in 5th semester in B Pharmacy, that is medicinal chemistry second. This subject is all about the drug and design their chemical structures, how they interact with the human body. You will study the structure activity relationship. भाई वो relationship नहीं, structure activity relationship, drug metabolism and design for new molecules. Basically it teaches you how chemistry turns into the medicine. I was very weak in chemistry, but still I clear my all chemistry exams. So if you interested with the drug discovery and reactions, this subject is your foundation. So let's talk about the subject number 3rd, that is pharmacology. Probably this is the heart of the pharmacy. Why I am saying this is the heart of the pharmacy? Because it's all about the drug, how to work inside the body, what is the side effect of the drug. You will study the mechanism of action, जो मेरे से तो याद नहीं किए जाते. Yes, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होती है याद करने में. एंड ऑल्सो यू स्टडी द थेरेपेटिक यूजेज, साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑफ द मेडिसिन. जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ा है और मैंने जो देखा है, ऑब्जर्व किया है कि फार्माकोलॉजी गिव्स यू क्लिनिकल नॉलेज नीडेड टू अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डिसीज एंड इट्स सुपर इम्पॉर्टेंट इफ यू वांट टू वर्क इन द हॉस्पिटल, रिसर्च और इन अ क्लिनिकल ट्रायल. तो दिस सब्जेक्ट इज फॉर यू. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सेकेंड लास्ट सब्जेक्ट इन 5th semester, that is phytochemistry and pharmacognosy second. Sounds very long subject, some complicated. This subjects explore drug, medicine which are obtained from the natural sources like plant, animal. In this subjects you will study the alkaloids, tannins, chemical test, glycosides and so many active compounds found in herb. It is very easy, but in this subjects so many complicated words are come. If you are interested in Ayurveda, herbs and Unani medicine, so this subject is for you. So before moving the last subject, I have a question for you. Do you know कि एक ड्रग को अगर आपको मार्केट में लॉन्च करना है तो उसके लिए कौन कौन से लाइसेंस चाहिए होते हैं, कौन कौन से लाइसेंस चाहिए होते हैं ड्रग मैन्युफैक्चर के लिए और मार्केटिंग के लिए, एंड किस शेड्यूल में कौन सी इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखी है अबाउट द ड्रग. अगर कोई ड्रग पे रिसर्च करना है तो उस ड्रग को किस डिपार्टमेंट में भेजना होगा, किसके अंडर में भेजना होगा, कौन उसको भेजेगा और कौन उसको एनालिसिस करेगा कि सम लीगल और इलीगल कैसे इंश्योर होता है कि ये लीगल है और इलीगल है. सो ऑल काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज यू विल स्टडी इन दिस लास्ट सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Every pharmacist must know laws and ethics behind the drug regulation. This subject cover the drug Cosmetic Act, Pharmacy Act. It ensure you understand the legal side of the B Pharmacy, pharmacy practice, drug approval and patient safety. जहाँ तक मुझे इस सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ने से पता चला है, without this knowledge you can't practice pharmacy. So these are the 5 main subjects in 3rd year 5th semester. Each one is important in shaping you as a pharmacist, from designing drug to manufacturing, from exploring their herbals and natural products, sources of natural drugs, finally ensuring the legal and illegal side of the B pharmacy and ensuring the legal and ethic. These subjects cover its all. If you found this video helpful, so make sure you hit the like button and share with your friends, and also subscribe for more pharmacy related content, and tell me in the comments what is your favorite subject and why. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.